Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm doing another product unboxing, and today we're checking out the JPEG professional grade Lavalier microphone. So this features monitoring earphones as well, so it's kind of pretty cool. And this is pretty much adaptable with your iPads, iPhone, Android, PC, whatever you got. So let's see if I can't open this box here. This runs about 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. And I managed to tear the box there. Whenever you need your fingernails is right when you just cut them off. Isn't that true? Anyways, so some of the things, let's see, no battery required, professional furry windshield included, compact and lightweight, compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR camera, consumer camcorders, audio recorders, etc. Let's find out what's in here, shall we? Okay, so that's it for the box. What we have is instructions. That just fell, but we got it. An adapter. Okay, a pretty cool little bag here. Let's open that up. In there we have this little bag, and it has the microphone cover as well as the lavalier microphone clip there. Okay. In here we have the headphones. Let's check these out, shall we? And I like to tell you guys how long the cords are as usual. It's kind of important to me. All right, so I'm estimating approximately 4 to 5 feet, probably close, about 4 feet long, yeah. Okay, it has the one silicone attachment there. I don't know if there's more. Or for the ears. They look fairly comfortable. I will be doing a product demonstration and review later, and I'll be testing this out. I'll leave that video link in the description below. So that's it for the bag. Kind of a cool little bag here with little drawstrings. Kind of nice. All right, and here we have the microphone itself. Okay, so it looks like, pop open this bag here real quick. So, okay, it has a secondary little foam covering and another clip, because it already has one clip on here, and so the second one in the bag. That's kind of cool. And it looks like a secondary little wind sound reducer there on the top. So let's check this out. Well, double wrapped. It's got the... Okay, so this... let's see here. Dun, 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 dun. It's kind of wrapped up here. That goes through there. And there we go. About a 5-foot cord, I would guesstimate. So here's where we have this goes into your audio device there, and then you can plug your headphones in right here and listen to yourself as you're talking, making sure that it sounds okay, which is kind of cool. Cool thing, instead of when you're doing a playback and notice that you don't have any sound or something like that. I've made a video before, a rather long one, and found out that I wasn't actually recording any sound, which is kind of a bummer. But anyways, it is what it is. So it's kind of a cool idea. I will be doing a review later, and I'll leave that link to that video in the description below. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends, and we'll see you soon. Everybody take care out there. Have a great day.